Nokia Phone Manufacturing Company is a company on which people trust the most. If you also want to buy a great 5G smartphone, then Nokia is going to launch a great smartphone. In this great smartphone, you are going to get a 7000 mAh battery, with a 200 megapixel camera. Yes, we are talking about Nokia X 5G smartphone. So if you also want to buy this phone, then watch this video till the end. Because, in today's video we will give information about the full leaked features, price, and launch date of this great smartphone. So let's get started. Features of Nokia X 5G. Display. Talking about the display of this great Nokia smartphone, you get to see a 6.95-inch Super AMOLED display, which comes with 4K resolution. Apart from this, it will have 120 Hz refresh rate, in-display fingerprint sensor, and 240 Hz touch sampling rate. Camera setup. Talking about camera setup, you get to see quad camera setup inside this mobile, whose main camera is 200 megapixels. Apart from this, 3 other cameras of 32 megapixels, 16 megapixels, and 8 megapixels have been installed in it. If we talk about the selfie camera of this mobile, then inside it you get to see a 50 megapixel selfie camera. Processor. If we talk about the processor of this smartphone, then Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 5G processor has been installed inside it. Also, if we talk about the operating system, you get to see Android 15 operating system inside it. Battery backup. Talking about the battery backup of the smartphone, you get to see a powerful 7000 mAh battery inside it, which supports 125-watt fast charging, and USB Type-C socket. Price or launch date. If we talk about the price of this mobile, then its price is expected to be around $550. And if we talk about the launch date, no official information has been received about it till now.